Nigerians, how many of you remember this guy? Last month, I made a video with this guy when he dropped one hot freestyle. And today, not confirm the talent where this guy gets. He can't carry the video, poster for a page. Nigerians call the beg me, say, Geh Geh, this guy too get talent. Not let this guy waste like that. I beg, send her to Opueh Records. You know that stuff. If you see here, see a manager and see the guy for here. He doesn't try well for the music, but as he say, at least everybody needs support. He need my record label, Opueh Records, at least to use as a platform to push a musical career to the next level. You know that. So we want to say the first official record, but what you go there be say? I don't really know. The reason why they do this in public, I never really signed any artist come make a public before. But are they very, very concerned about the percentage? I mean, Nigerians know today say, not be when you don't later blow. You can't come from nowhere and say, Geh Geh, they give me 20%, because they take 80%. You know understand? And the money I want to complete my house.
No,
you understand?
I understand.
I won't pause the bleeding because of you. Because I believe in your talent so much. You understand? So at the money, when I want to complete this house, I go to sign you to Opueh Records. You understand? So I dey post my future now because of your future.
Thank you, boss.
So all the paper for here, 20% now I will give you. Wait, you never signed it.
Yes, sir.
Alright. You yourself you sign. Alright, so okay, Nigerians, congratulations to this young man. But one thing I promise you, you know, say you are from Port Harcourt.
Yes, boss.
And I go like say, for the influence when I get as the richest man in this state, I go like make you feature Dr. Mighty for your song. You love her, make you feature a person like Dr. Mighty.
Yes, boss, I love her.
You love to feature Dr. Mighty?
Yes.
Oh yeah, drop one chorus for us, make I know where that go. Contact Dr. Mighty. And play the song, play the jam. Let's drop your chorus for Nigerians.
See my anxiety, take me places never been before. Many times I did for my dog, I no feel love. See when they might tell me something.
No, bossa. See, I don't want to leak this song now. Nigerians, Dr. Mighty, I'm giving you 24 hours. Drop verse for this song. You know that because Nigerians, you know if you wait to hear something like this.
Yes.
You know hear this guy sound before?
No, not at all.
This guy is bringing something new to the industry. You know that sound. Dr. Mighty, I beg. You know a legend for the industry. Now my first major artist be would they beg you, I beg. Help me drop verse for this jam with this my artist drop a beg. So on Opueh Records, they go know so okay, at least we don't say go global.
Yeah.
You know that stuff. God bless you.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss.
You are the engineer.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.